Hey guys, it's Marley with Sunset Properties here. Today I wanted to take you on a tour of Sundown. Now this house is located in the Dune subdivision in Fort Morgan. It is a second tier house, so it's just a couple steps away from the beach on the same street as the pool. Let's go in and check it out. Now, as soon as you come in, you take a step to your right and you find yourself in the kitchen. You've got 2 refrigerators and stainless steel appliances, everything you need to cook here at the house. Right across from the kitchen, you've got a stackable washer and dryer, which is great because you also have a washer and dryer upstairs that I'll show you. And there is also a bathroom. Now you've got some bar seating here, but one thing I love about this house is this really long dining table. If you can't fit your whole family here, then you're not doing it right. And you've also got the living room right here, which is pretty spacious and good for hanging out with your family and watching TV. Now this house actually has 3 balconies, so I'm going to take you out on each one. This is the first floor balcony. Just to give you an idea of how far we are from the beach. Alright, and let's head to the first bedroom. Follow me. I forgot to mention, actually, let's stop here. There is a wet bar. So the first bedroom here has a queen-size bed and a private bathroom. And of course, you've also got a TV in here, flat screen. All right, let's head upstairs. Now, right when you get upstairs, you'll see your first bedroom on the left has a king-size bed. There's also access to a bathroom, which has access to the hall as well. And you also have a flat screen Roku TV. Across the hall, you'll find the bunk room with 2 sets of bunk beds. And this is the same bathroom that we just looked at. And this is where you've got the full-size washer and dryer. Now you've got 2 bedrooms here on the end. We'll step into this one first. This one has a king-size bed. And a private bathroom. There's also access to the second floor balcony from this room. This room has a queen size bed, a private bathroom, and also access to the second floor balcony and a flat screen TV. Again, here you've got that same view, but we're going to go out on the one upstairs. And this is going to be the last floor. Now up here you have a king size bed, a flat screen TV, and a private bathroom. And this room has the private balcony. Now, as you can see, it's beautiful. Your beach access is just down there, so it's just a couple hundred yards, just a quick walk. This house is really a great place to bring the whole family since it sleeps so many, and we would love to have you come stay at Sundown. I put the link in the description for this property. You can also call or text us at 251-543-1370. I'll see you at sunset.